Please read the instruction manual before installation. Install the lock cylinder on the fixed buckle. Pay attention to the installation direction of the lock cylinder. The circlip is arched side down. The back of the bag has 5 mounting positions for the buckles. Mounting position and mounting angle can be selected according to requirements. Apply screw glue to all screws. Install the fixing buckle. Preliminary fixing screws. Adjust the installation angle. Tighten screw. Refer to the diagram for tightening specifications. Fasten the bag's fixing buckle to the crash bar. Wrap the fixed webbing around the crash bar. Insert the fixed buckle. Shorten the excess tape. Anti-theft ropes provide primary anti-theft properties. Unfold the anti-theft rope. Pass it through the zipper head hole. Then pass it through the webbing anti-theft rope hole. Open the fixed buckle. Insert the lock of the anti-theft rope into the locking position of the fixed buckle. Fasten the fixed buckle. Lock the lock cylinder. Turn on the one-way inflation valve switch. Inflate the bumper bag. Inflate until full. No need to inflate to positive pressure. After inflating, close the inflation valve switch. Demo completed. Thanks for watching.